Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are ready to launch an online store but you don't want to upfront cost, you are in lucky. Today I am going to show you exactly how to claim Shopify extended free trial so you can get up to 3 months for free and start building your business without any headache. Let's get right into it. So here actually you can see we're already using the free trial version, so we have almost 3 days left in our trial, so it will be ended around July 11th. So how does Shopify free trials exactly work? So by default, Shopify offers new user a 3-day free trial plus a special promo where you can continue for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. That basically 3 months of running your store for free, because $1 a month is as close to free as you will get for a fully hosted e-commerce platform. You will get full access to Shopify tools, themes, secure checkout, unlimited products, and powerful sales feature all ready to use right away. Now, how you can claim it? So first of all, you just need to be visit on shopify.com. When you will visit, you will get to see something like this. As it is here, you just need to click over here, is that for free. Once you click over here, you will see the special promo automatically applied here, and you can see that start your free trial, gets 3 days free, and then 3 months for $1 per month. So here you just need to click over here, and then here you not need to be enter your email and choose your store name. Don't stress, you can change it later. And then you just need to answer a few quick setup questions or skip them. You will land right into the Shopify dashboard here actually. And that's it, your store is live and ready for you to start designing without any upfront cost. So why this is an smart move? Because you get 3 full months too. So here just click to the setting and just go to the plan and choose plan again, and here actually you can see that we are getting 3 full months also. You just need to be build your store design, change the theme, customize it, and make it look polished. Add all your products, photos, and description. You just need to set up payments, shipping, and even test order. And most importantly, start promoting your store and making sales before you ever pay the regular flat price, so you can prove your idea works risk-free and only upgrade when you are ready. So that's how you claim 3 months free with Shopify and launch your business the smart way without wasting money upfront. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy e-commerce tips, and comment below if you have any questions. I am here to help you get started. Good luck building your store, and I will see you in the next one.